My name's Lanny Cook. I'm the branch manager at Streamflow here in Kindersley, and I've been with the company for about 13 years. The opportunity came to help open Streamflow Kindersley in 2014, and I didn't really know what would be all involved with it, but I threw my hat in the ring, and that was over 10 years ago.
My name is Matthew Foot, and my role is lead hand here, so take care of pretty much the shop as well.
Ako si Joby Lacson, isa akong assembly technician dito sa Streamflow Kindersley, and ako'y nagtatrabaho dito ng 1.5 taon na ngayon. Ako yung nagme-maintain sa mga goat head, sa mga coppers, sa mga valve. So after nilang gamitin sa field, dinadala nila sa akin para i-check, i-grease, pinturahan kung kailangan, tapos i-check lahat ng parts para magamit uli sa susunod.
Streamflow Kindersley, we supply customers really from casing bowls all the way to wellheads for completions. We have the big mover would be 9-inch casing bowls, 9-inch 2000, 9-inch 3000, and then wellheads for those. Frac trees though, 4.5 coil frac, that is our bread and butter here. What sets Streamflow Kindersley apart from competition is the equipment looks the same if you look at it. Little bit different color, but it's the people that make the difference. Just even, 7 people in this smaller branch. We've got people from all sorts of, walks of life, different background. A lot of experience in these walls.
Ang napansin ko dito ay ang Streamflow ay family-oriented. Binibigyan pa rin kayo ng sapat na oras para makauwi sa inyong mga pamilya.
Try to help out any way I can. Like, I'm not just going to be pushing a pan, I'm going to be pulling wrenches as well, sort of thing. And that's why we got a pretty good branch here. Everybody helps each other, and another guy steps up and carries the workload for a little bit, and just like a family, like a team like that.
Oo, sobrang na-enjoy. Mabait yung mga tao, may respeto sa isa't isa, mabait ang amo namin. Tsaka yun ang pinaka-gusto ko, yung may time ka pa rin sa pamilya mo.
It's a good company to work for, and yeah, I can envision myself being here for a long time. So you can go work other branches. It's nice having that option, like to be able to travel, get a different experience, see different stuff. Like I've been to Fort Mac, I've been to Fox Creek. It's nice to get a different gauge on everything because not everything's the same every field you go to.
Yung produkto natin ay maganda, subok na. Tulad nun, wala naman kaming masyadong natatanggap na mga reklamo tungkol sa mga customer natin. So, tsaka pinag-iigihan natin yung trabaho natin dito para patuwa naman din sila.
I think customers know when they see Streamflow frac equipment go out, they know that it's been tested and everything is as it should be. So kind of what we have on the horizon for Streamflow Kindersley, I think the biggest one, we're actually looking at it right now, is the new building. Can't miss us now, we're right off the highway. We have the signs on the front of the back of the building. So it's been a big point of pride to be able to have customers come in, see this new building. The customers, the pads, they're getting bigger. We're also keeping right up with them. Bigger space, bigger trucks, we can haul more equipment. So I'm excited to see what the future holds.
Siyempre, gusto kong tumagal dito at siyempre, marami pang matutuhan tungkol sa operasyon ng company at sana rin umangat para makapagturo rin sa mga bagong parating. Inuuna ang safety ng mga empleyado. Itong kumpanyang ito ay may recommend ako sa inyo. Marami silang mga program na makakatulong hindi lang para sa inyo, kundi para sa pamilya nyo.
I think Duncan McNeil said it best. If you look after the guys, they'll take care of everything else, and really it works.